Yeah, from today go, I no care about wetin any stupid person for this social media wan tell me. Na Wizkid be the richest Nigeria artist. I no care about anything wey Wizkid haters wan tell me for this social media again. Na Wizkid be the richest Nigeria celebrity. Oguneki, you observe am. Ordinary earpiece wey Big Wiz take cross e neck, that earpiece una dey see for Big Wiz neck like this, e cost $16,000. $16,000 na earpiece wey dem dey put for ear cost Big Wiz. God forbid bad thing. You know how many million be $16,000? You know how many million? Na question I dey ask. I no want the shout. Tell me person wey go open eye use $16,000 take buy earpiece. Oswald, Big Wiz na the richest. Na billionaire in naira, millionaire in dollar, different currency. Big Wiz na millionaire in every currency when you know for this life. Mention the currency when Big Wiz no take be millionaire, e no dey, and na billionaire na e be for naira. Oguneki all of una. Say Big Wiz money too long. When Big Wiz dey talk for a song, say my money and your money no be mate. My money and your money no dey the same rate. See my money too large, oh, this boy too bad, oh. All of una feel say just dey sing. You no just dey sing. You no just dey sing. You get the money.